Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. It's been a while, how have you been? It is great to see you again. Do you notice that every time we're running any program, or installing any program on Windows 10, although we log in as an administrator, a very annoying UAC notification is always prompted. Like this. So today, I'm going to share with you how to disable the UAC notification by enabling the built-in administrator. Let's start now. Search Computer Management. Then run it. In Computer Management, click the System Tools which located at left panel. Under System Tools, click Local Users and Groups. Then click on Users folder. In the User folder, right-click the Administrator user. In the context menu, click Properties. In the General tab, locate the Account as Disabled option. Then, uncheck the option. Last, click Apply and OK button to save the changes. Done, the administrator account is enabled. Once you complete the steps, the built-in administrator local account will be available from the sign-in screen. Gently remind Windows disable this built-in administrator by the default for security reasons. If you no longer need the built-in account, you can use the same step to disable it. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.